How to allow microphone access on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and go to Privacy and Security. From here, you can control which apps can access your data, location, camera, and microphone, and also manage protections. Scroll down and go to Microphone as shown. Over here, you can view and manage all the apps that have access to the microphone. You can now turn on the switches beside all the apps that you want to allow microphone access to. For example, Call of Duty, Boatim, and more. This way, you can control the microphone access for any app that you want. Following these steps, you can easily allow microphone access on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.